Hello, my name is Craig Alibaugh, and I'm the town manager here at the town of Winona Lake, Indiana. The park's been here for a long time, but a few years ago we kind of created a vision. It didn't really matter if you were older or younger or had any particular disability. We wanted to make it accessible to all. So that's why we came up with the term Limitless Park, because it's really limitless as to what one can do in the park. I'm on a new playground structure that was built about 5 years ago. Again, completely handicapped accessible. I'm walking on a ramp for wheelchairs. This was a collaborative effort between the town and various community individuals that came together over the period of one day and put this together. People can come and play tennis or basketball, they can swim on the beach, they can go to our splash pad, and then from there we can also walk the greenway that goes through, kind of intersects the park. We just keep building on the amenities that we originally kind of started it with in our vision, and to create this area as a destination. Families can come here, different generations can come here, and they can partake of the activities. I'm currently standing on our splash pad structure. This is a structure that really kind of kicked off the Winona Lake Limitless Park. And if it wasn't for the K21 Health Foundation, this would not be here today.
My name is Holly Hummich, and I am the Parks Director here at Winona Lake Limitless Park. The addition of the play structure and the splash pad just gives anyone with all abilities the ability to come out and enjoy the park as a family. They don't have to sit on the sidelines.
But you can come here any day between Memorial Day and Labor Day, 7 days a week from 11 to 6, and you'll find kids in here shoulder to shoulder, just laughing and having a great time